Okay, so congrats on making end of course. I hope you are able to follow along with all of the examples and the session, and hope that you find all material useful and you are now able to create your own hybrid application with the Apache Cordova. As I previously said, you can now use all your static web development skill with the Cordova application. There are lots of plugins exist for the Cordova application, but in this series we consider only how to add or remove plugins. You can visit npm's official site which contain all the details about that plugins with the example. You can also visit the Cordova's official site. The documentation of the Cordova application is properly organized on the I want just last opportunity to say that if you have any question or feedback regarding the course, or if you want to get in touch with me via mails, and you can also post your query in the question answer section or in comments. So thanks again for taking course and the best of luck for creating your Cordova application.